Okay, very good. So what is liquidity?
Yeah, liquidity is the available cash.
Available cash.
Yeah. So how fast company can arrange available liquid cash
Okay.
to itself
Okay.
to implement its requirements. That is the liquidity analysis.
Very good.
Like current asset ratio or more even quick ratio.
Quick ratio also. Very good. Very good. Anyone else? What do you understand by liquidity? What is liquidity?
Availability of cash in hand.
Availability of cash in
Which
hand,
can spend immediately.
which can be
Spend.
spent. Okay, which can be spent immediately. Okay, very good. Rishikesh, what is liquidity?
It's a time taken to convert existing inventory into the cash or to make available cash.
To make available cash. Okay, very good. Samir. Same. Okay, Shripad.
So the availability of the cash and the investments of the company and how quickly they can realize the money from that.
Okay, very good. Vinod, what is liquidity?
Conversion of raw material into cash.
Conversion of
Raw
raw material into cash. Now let's
Through
understand.
sales.
Yeah,
Through sales.
through sales. Okay, very good. Through sales. See, what is liquidity? Remember, we are in business for value creation. Value creation can happen only when we make profit, and we can make profit only when we are sufficiently liquid. And when I say sufficiently liquid, what does it mean? It simply means at any given point in time, as a company, we should be able to discharge all our short-term obligations on time, in time. Are you with me? So that is your liquidity. I am repeating it once again. We are in business for value creation. Value creation can happen only when we make profit. And if we have to make profit, we have to ensure that we are sufficiently liquid. And what does it mean? It means at any given point in time, we should be able to take care of all our short-term obligations in time and on time. What does it mean? It means we should be able to pay to our suppliers in time, on time. We should be able to pay the salaries of the employees in time, on time. We should be able to take care of all the short-term expense, all the short-term obligations in time and on time. Why? Because if we fail to take care of our creditors, if we don't pay them on time, what is likely to happen? The vendor will not supply material to us on time. He does not supply material to us on time. Our production get hampered. Our production get hampered, we produce less. We produce less, we sell less. We sell less, our revenues go down. Our revenues go down, our profit go down. So what is liquidity? Liquidity in simple words is the ability of the business to take care of its obligations in short term. Short term meaning in 1 year. Meaning what? Please pay attention. Meaning solvency is nothing, liquidity is nothing but short term solvency. Are you with me? Solvent, तो मालूम है ना solvent क्या होता है? Solvent is nothing but your ability to take care of your obligations. That is solvent. So insolvent. Who is insolvent? Insolvent is somebody who does not have enough money to take care of his obligations. So what is liquidity? It is short-term solvency. That means you are able to take care of your obligations in time. Now, how do you figure out your liquidity? So as we saw earlier, the two ratios that you use for ascertaining your liquidity in your business, the first one is known as current ratio. And current ratio, as we saw earlier, I'm just going to write it once again for you. So current assets divided by current liabilities, and that is your current ratio. Are you all with me? Okay. Now this will give you your current ratio. इससे मालूम पड़ेगा कि आपकी शॉर्ट टर्म ऑब्लिगेशंस को केयर करने की एबिलिटी कितनी है. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Now there is a small variation to this, and which is known as quick ratio. since I have discussed that already with you, I am just going to inventory divided by current liabilities. So remember, you will not only be interested in this ratio, in the current ratio, but you will be also interested in the quick ratio. अब आप मुझे बताइए कि आपकी कंपनी के करंट रेशियो में किसको इंटरेस्ट होगा?
जो शॉर्ट टर्म लैंडिंग कर रहे हैं,
जो शॉर्ट टर्म लैंडिंग कर रहे हैं उनको होगा, एंड
जो बिल डिस्काउंटिंग वगैरह करते
जो
हैं,
बिल डिस्काउंटिंग कर रहे हैं उनको होगा, एंड
Suppliers.
को होगा, isn't it? Because these are the people who would like to check as to what is your liquidity. एंड क्यों वो चेक करना चाहेंगे? क्योंकि मैं वेंडर हूँ, मैं आपको मटेरियल सप्लाई कर रहा हूँ, अगर आपकी लिक्विडिटी नहीं है बराबर तो क्या होगा? जब मेरा पेमेंट ड्यू होगा, आप मुझे फोन करके बोलोगे, आप मुझे फोन करोगे नहीं, आप क्यों मुझे फोन करोगे? मुझे फोन करना पड़ेगा और मैं आपको फोन करके पूछूंगा सर मेरा पेमेंट भेजो, तो आप बोलोगे मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है. So that means I come into trouble. Now this is your current ratio and quick ratio. We have to go one step further. As valuer, as financial analyst, as business controller, as CFO, as owner of the business, our approach to the current ratio has to be slightly different. And I want to bring that out with the help of a small case study. The case study is, you looked at the balance sheet of a company as of 31st March 2018 and 2019. और आपने देखा कि इस कंपनी का करंट रेशियो 2018 में 1.5 था और 2019 में 31 मार्च 2019 को this current ratio came down to 1.20. You are the finance controller or you are the CFO of this company, and these are the numbers in front of you. Okay, let me change the role. You are an investor wanting to invest, or you are a private equity wanting to invest in this company, and you see that the current ratio has come down from 1.5 to 1.2. और मैं आपको बता दूं कि ये कंपनी प्रॉफिट कर रही है, ठीक है? This company is making profit. Now please tell me, is it a good sign or bad sign?
गुड साइन.
So the current ratio tells you what? Current ratio tells you how liquid you are as a business, and you can be more liquid only when you have more current assets. Yes or no?
Yes, it's a bad sign.
So if the current ratio has decreased from 1.5 on 31st March 2018 to 1.2 on 31st March 2019, is it a good sign or bad sign?
It's a bad sign.
Alright. Now, see, this is where the twist or twist is in the story. Why it is a bad sign?
Because either the current asset valuations has gone down
Okay.
or the liability amounts have gone up.
Okay. So
So-
is that bad sign or good sign?
So my capability to pay my
Uh-huh.
current liabilities
Mhm.
has gone down.
Uh-huh.
So my market perception
Mhm.
that I am not that liquid as earlier.
Mhm.
I have got less assets to pay my more liabilities,
Uh-huh.
or I have got more liabilities with similar assets.
Let me tell you once again, this company is making profit. Okay, just to give you that additional input. Why is bad sign or good sign or bad sign, Mandar?
No good sign. I'm just taking a numbers.
Good sign.
It's a good sign.
It's a good sign?
Yeah. If company making a profit, then it's good sign.
If the company is making profit, then it is a good sign. Okay, very good. Praveen?
Because one angle could be now you are
creating more current liability against the asset, so the suppliers are having more faith in the company.
Suppliers will have more faith.
Like the current liabilities also have increased.
Okay, so I'm coming to that. Suppliers will have more faith when their payment will come faster, or when their payment will come slower.
Fast.
So if the current ratio has gone down from 1.5 to 1.2, it means either the two things must have happened or both the things must have happened.
Yes.
The first thing that must have happened is the current assets have gone up. Second thing that must have happened, current liabilities have gone down. Right? Or both of them must have happened. So here what is happening? Here the current ratio has gone down. So if the current ratio has gone down, and all of you please, are you with me? So if the current ratio has gone down, इसका मतलब ये है कि current assets बढ़ गए
नहीं,
और
घट गया सर.
I'm sorry, current assets घट गए और current liabilities
बढ़
गई.
करेक्ट.
तो अब जो आप बोल रहे हो मंदार कि वेंडर का कॉन्फिडेंस इस कंपनी में बढ़ गया है, बट ये तो उल्टा हो रहा है, बिकॉज नाउ द वेंडर्स आर गेटिंग पेमेंट नॉट ऑन टाइम, दे आर गेटिंग पेमेंट्स आफ्टर द ड्यू डेट्स. So good sign. You said good sign. So why is good sign, Shweta?
I'm just thinking other way
To
around.
change your.
Wherever, so it's like I'm not getting a logic, but just in time kind of inventory. So
Uh-huh.
wherever I don't inventorize or keep the goods, but
Okay.
I get a credit period from the suppliers. From that, but I'm not getting an exact
बढ़
logic.
सकता है ना, मतलब you said companies are making profits.
हाँ.
So it could also get better terms from the suppliers, so credit period भी बड़ा हो सकता है.
नहीं, अगर company is making more profit, that means the possibility that the company should be in a position to pay faster.
Yes.
So the
Or even
company.
demand better credit terms.
Okay, even demand better credit terms. Okay, right? So that's possible. Of course, that's possible. Yeah, you want to say Srikanth something?
Inventory goes down, like, means they are selling their inventory more.
But then it will get converted to cash only.
No, but ये तो आपको this is the position given to you.
Inventory
ये तो आपको
selling
बता दिया
to
यहाँ
cash.
या तो इन्वेंट्री रहेगी या तो कैश इन हैंड रहेगा या डेटर रहेगा.
If the current ratio is going down,
Down.
it can be the company is investing in a fixed asset from the current assets.
ये तो नया एंगल है.
If the company is investing
From
in the
their working capital in the
Alright.
fixed assets.
Okay.
So the current ratio will go down
okay.
and company will increase the profitability also due to the investments in new assets.
So good sign or bad sign?
It's a good sign.
It's a good sign.
If this case is happening, other way around, if the company is current ratio is going down without investing anything,
Yeah.
then it is a bad sign.
But see, really speaking, pay attention here. If the company is making profit, and we believe this company is quite aware of the fact that it is in the business for creating value, it is in the business for long term. So if the company is making profit, it is quite obvious that this company is redeploying those profits. It is redeploying those profits. The assets will go up. The fixed assets will go up naturally. So that is bound to happen. So that is what is happening. And the current ratio is also going down. Good sign or bad
Yeah,
sign?
it's a good sign.
It's a good sign. Good sign or bad sign? In case you want to change your mind. Bad sign? Bad sign. Still okay. So
I am bad signs.
bad sign.
Good sign.
Okay. Why good sign?
I guess, I don't know, I am just remembering that Fiat वाला scenario.
कौन सा वाला scenario?
Fiat. इन्वेंटरी पड़ा है,
हाँ.
वो करंट रेशो बढ़ता जा रहा है, सेल ही नहीं कर पा रहे वो.
Right.
तो यहाँ पे तो वो आई गेस सेल कर पा रहे हैं, उनके शायद बिल रिसीवेबल भी जल्दी जल्दी पिकअप हो रहे हैं और वो पे नहीं कर पा रहे. आई डोंट नो, फिर वो उनका ट्रेड साइकिल चेक करना पड़ेगा.
अब मुझे ये बताइए, आज की तारीख में मारुति का करंट रेशियो ऊपर गया होगा कि नीचे गया होगा?
ऊपर गया होगा.
ऊपर है.
In comparison to last year, Maruti's current ratio must have gone up. Good sign or bad sign?
Bad sign.
See, remember,
Cannot be valid.
it is a myth.
Current
There are two myths that I am explaining to you, and please pay attention. It is a myth that if the current ratio is going up, it is a good sign. On the contrary, if a business is making profit and if the current ratio is going down, it is a sign of operating efficiency. Lot of people give the answer. If my current ratio is going down, my ability to pay money to my suppliers is going down, which is completely wrong. And why it is completely wrong? Because you don't pay to your suppliers by selling your inventory. You pay to your supplier by using the inventory, producing the finished goods, selling that finished goods in the market, and against the sale, getting money from the customer, you use that money for paying to your supplier. So, if the company is made, and please remember the ability of companies to take care of its short-term liabilities, obligations, has got nothing to do with the current assets or the current liabilities. It has got to do more with how much cash the company is generating. Are you with me? So मारुति के पास में आज भयंकर इन्वेंट्री है. मारुति का करंट रेशियो आज की तारीख में शायद लास्ट ईयर के बजाय डबल भी हो गया होगा. इस मारुति ने गुड पोजीशन और बैड पोजीशन? मारुति इज डेस्परेट कि कैसे ये गाड़ियां निकलें. So therefore please remember, if your current ratio is going down and you are making profit, that means your current ratio has gone down as a matter of choice, not as a matter of compulsion. Please remember at the same time कि अगर एक कंपनी लॉस कर रही है, ध्यान से सुनिए, अगर एक कंपनी लॉस कर रही है, उस कंपनी का रेशो, करंट रेशो कंपल्सरली नीचे जाएगा. क्यों नीचे जाएगा? क्योंकि इट इज इनकरिंग लॉसेस, it does not have money to pay to the vendors, so the current liabilities are increasing, so denominator is going up. It is not making profit, so it is not making profit, no money to buy the inventory is also going down. So if the company is making losses, उस कंपनी का करंट रेशियो बाय डिफॉल्ट विल गो डाउन. बट एक कंपनी जो प्रॉफिट कर रही है, बाय चॉइस इट कैन ब्रिंग इट्स करंट रेशियो डाउन. And if a company is making profit and the current ratio is going down, this company can be said to be managed successfully, efficiently, effectively, productively. But if a company is making profit and the current ratio is increasing, disproportionate to the sales, that is a bad sign. Are you with me? क्योंकि आप प्रॉफिट कर रहे हो, अच्छी बात है, लेकिन आपकी इन्वेंट्री जबरदस्ती करके बढ़ रही है. और प्लीज रिमेंबर, अगर मेरा करंट रेशियो ज्यादा होना चाहिए, इसका मतलब क्या जरूरी है? मेरी इन्वेंट्री ज्यादा होनी चाहिए. यस और नो? और अगर मेरी इन्वेंट्री ज्यादा है, इसका मतलब क्या है कि मेरा उतना कैपिटल ब्लॉक हो रहा है. अगर मेरा उतना कैपिटल ब्लॉक हो रहा है, इसका मतलब उस कैपिटल के ऊपर आई एम नॉट अर्निंग एनीथिंग. यस और नो? जो इन्वेंट्री पड़ी है, इट्स नॉट गिविंग मी एनी बेनिफिट, इट्स नॉट गिविंग मी एनी रिटर्न. So that is, friends, is your liquidity analysis.
If I conclude it like this, the finance cost of the creditors is adding to my profitability.
Absolutely perfect. बिल्कुल सही कहा मोहित, एकदम सही कहा. अगर मेरी इन्वेंट्री ऊपर जा रही है, तो without letting anybody know, I am improving the profitability of my suppliers. If my receivables are increasing, without letting anybody and everybody know, I am improving the profitability of my customers. So I have to ask myself, am I working for myself or am I working for my customer and the vendors? See, you help your customer, definitely. You help your vendor, definitely, but not in this fashion. Because then you are helping them at your own cost. So this is your liquidity, and